The Dayton Audio SPA1000 Amplifier delivers very high subwoofer power with the kind of control and authority that suits serious home theater or dedicated listening rooms. Its Class A/B output stage keeps bass notes tight and articulate even when the system is driven hard for extended sessions. A patented tracking downconverter and hefty toroidal transformer work together to maintain strong output while keeping efficiency and thermal performance in check. The built-in low-frequency equalization lets you fine-tune the response of your subwoofer to match room acoustics rather than forcing you to rely on placement alone. Advanced soft clipping protection gives you extra headroom while helping to safeguard subwoofer drivers from abuse during demanding movie or music passages. The sturdy plate amplifier format integrates neatly into custom subwoofer enclosures, making the SPA1000 a flexible choice for do-it-yourself and upgrade projects.